All right, guys, we got a good one here. Talk about a frequently asked question in North Carolina, especially. Not that Virginia or anywhere else really can hide from forever chemicals. Um, Virginia definitely still has hard water, but it's not near as hard as some of the places in North Carolina, especially the coastal areas. And stretching over to our Raleigh branch too, we still see pretty hard water through there. But let's just stay on topic here. You're probably looking at the Protector Series systems and then wondering, do they take out the forever chemicals? Does a water softener take out forever chemicals for that matter? Well, if I don't want to make this video too long. In fact, if you guys, I'll stop you right here for a second and just say, if you have not checked out Dr. Frank on our YouTube channel, and it's right there on our website as well. He is an environmental specialist. He's an expert on PFAS, and the title of that series is really just PFAS in our drinking water, plain English. It's nice to have somebody that can actually explain things that you can understand. Not that you couldn't, but for some of us, sometimes when we hear a chemist or something describe things to us, we have to go to the thesaurus to even figure out what some of the words mean. Staying on topic here, I would definitely visit that to understand a little bit more. But if we stay with the water softener, no. The answer is no. A water softener will not remove PFAS in any way, shape, or form. Now, you have what's called refiners, and that's usually what we're putting on city water and some applications on well water. But those systems in the Protector Series that you're looking at, they will reduce this. When we talk about city water, they're going to have a catalytic carbon and an activated carbon. They will use the highest grade carbons, primarily because we need to remove chloramines out of water. You know, the ammonia and the chlorine combined. Some places don't use it, but we can't, we don't want to take a chance on them changing their methods down the road. And a lot of systems don't remove the ammonia. In fact, like your fridge filter, I'll try to stay on topic here, is not removing the ammonia in the water as well. So a lot of times people are taking comfort in that fridge filter, not realizing they're chugging ammonia every single day. So the regular carbons do remove chlorine, and these carbons can make claims on the forever chemicals. So if I move right into our series 1, 2, especially is what we promote for salt efficiency, they will remove up to 70% of those forever chemicals. Now, I don't allow my sales team to even say that. If they get asked, they can answer it that way, but what does that even mean, up to 70%? We're saying 70% is the max. How do we really know? There's if you watch these series with Dr. Frank, there's over 10,000 forever chemicals, which ones we're only regulating like 5 compounds, and then up to 70%. So I tell you, if you're 100% trying to eliminate all aspects of the forever chemicals, check out the series that you're going to see right here. This is the PFAS lead series. When you go on the website, if you go to Solution Systems and drop down, that is going to eliminate all of the forever chemicals. I can't say all because everything's 99%, but that is certified. That's really important when you start looking at these PFAS filters, are they certified? And if I tell you what I feel comfortable and do you have to have that, that is all going to be a preference of your family, your home. At the end of the day, we cannot get away from forever chemicals entirely. They're everywhere, and at the end of the day, we are going to, and we all pretty much have, with all the research, we all pretty much have some in us already currently. So we're not going to be able to eliminate 100%, but if you want to, in the water, this will be the situation. If you're getting a whole home Protector Series softener, refiner, you'll be able to remove all that chemical primarily through there, and then this is what you would add after if we're installing them at the same time. That's a different topic of the sequence if you were to install a PFAS type system like this. And with an older water softener, you're going to want to go after the water softener, because that water softener would already have the PFAS contaminated into it. I would always finish everything with a reverse osmosis unit at the kitchen sink. PFAS, anything else, there's a lot of other things that the PFAS system doesn't do, but you would have PFAS-free water throughout the entire home if you added this right here at the end. And you don't have to use a water softener, refiner. Most bang for your buck is going to be going with that Series 1 or Series 2, and you are going to get a good bit. Most of our customers end up using that method, having a little peace of mind from there, and not drinking from their shower, and using a reverse osmosis unit, because it's doing not just the same things the PFAS filter will do. It is getting down into bacteria, and there's just some other things that's definitely eliminating that the PFAS system would not do. But check out this series. That'll give you a lot more education on it. Hopefully this answers your question a little bit. I don't want to make them too long. Most of our videos, we try to keep them reasonably short and try to stay on topic. But tune in and you can check out some of the frequently asked questions regarding PFAS and the applications that we can do for you. Thanks.